Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm back here with another video, and today we're back with some more shotgun farmers. But we're gonna be doing something that I haven't done yet, and that is I'm gonna be playing Horde mode. Horde mode. It's basically just Call of Duty Zombies. That's all. So yeah, I'm just gonna load in. Oh, all right, we got some teammates and. Alright, just gonna start a new plant there. Hopefully nobody takes it. See how fast that's growing? Wow. That's gonna get me to max shotgun ammo. Alright, let's just take care of some of these zombies. I did play a match of this off camera, just to see how I did, and I didn't do too bad. So now I'm doing this on camera. So yeah, let's do this. I'm gonna go ahead and start a new plant. Just so I can get some more ammo than what I had before. I'm gonna take these. Alright. We're actually doing pretty good so far. I have some zombie limbs. Yeah, I'm doing great. Yeah. I'm waiting for this gun. Unlock at wave 18. Oh. And that gun is great. The watermelon G. I think I might post this game, but I streamed on Twitch this morning and yesterday, actually. So if you want to pull up to some of my future streams, I have the link to my Twitch in the description of this video, and my last video if you want to check that one out. That would be great. The last video, I played this game, but I didn't play this game mode. I played some team PvP. I played Chicken Run, pretty sure. And yeah, my first viewer, one of my friends, and he actually just texted me. And if you're watching this, hi. And I gave him the bragging rights to being my first viewer and my first like, because he is. So yeah. Alright, well, apparently we're having some trouble finding this last zombie, so I'll cut back when we do. Alright, so we found it, we killed it, and now we're in wave 3, and we have unlocked a new weapon. It's my PIGGIEZZZ rifle. So I will get that as soon as it grows. It's just right here. Oh, there we go. It just started. So let's just wait for that to go all the way. And this is actually kind of cool. You can kind of go flying with all guns, actually. So let's check it out. That's not gonna have enough ammo. I want some more ammo in it. Just grab this almost full shotgun plant. Alright, almost full ammo. That's great. Gonna let that grow some more. Oh, guess wave 3 is completed now. Good job, guys. So yeah, I'll cut back when that is fully grown and ready to harvest. Alright guys, it's not fully grown, but I don't have a gun, so I'm just gonna take it. 4 out of 5. That's fine. I'm actually gonna let them kill. Sorry. Let's revive our teammate because he died. And alright, so we eliminated the last zombie. So now let's get up on this roof over here. And let's test out this PIGGIEZZZ rifle. Let's see how it does. Ooh, that's nice. I like that. Ooh, almost did it. Oh, I'm out. Okay, that's when we drop down here. Grab this, pop some heads off. Alright. Oh, I'm out. Ah! I don't have a weapon. Up this ladder. Up here. Ah! I don't have a weapon. Okay, Panapanade, save me. No, save him. Okay. There's another Snipericus rifle plant here. I'll take that. Oh, we need a reviver teammate. I don't think he's very good at this game. Oh no. Alright, you blew up. Then it's just Piggy turned into some ham. Alright guys, I'll cut back when there's a new gun unlocked or something interesting happens. Oh my gosh, this kid has had to be revived like 3 different times. My gosh. Ah, don't have a gun. Turn you into ham. Alright, Panapanade. Alright, this Snipericus rifle is almost fully grown, so I'm going to take that, and there's some Panapanades here. That's great. Ooh, that's a nice pet. Nice. Got you. Tickled your booty. And now I'm about to die. Alright, everybody just get up in a big ball. There we go. I doubt that was a shotgun plant. I don't have any good weapons. I don't have any weapons. This is literally the 5th person that I have revived. Are you serious? This is the 3rd time this round. Or this wave, I mean. Well, at least Snipericus rifle here. And that's another person down. I just let this guy die. Gosh. Okay, wave 8 is completed. Now it is wave 9. Next wave, we're gonna get a new weapon, and that is the PIGGIEZZZ. So yeah, I'm excited for that. I'll skip to him. Alright guys, it is now wave 10, and PIGGIEZZZ has just been unlocked, but we have to wait for the plant to grow, which sucks. But until then, I'm just making a shotgun plant. Ooping some zombies. Alright, I would say that is good enough. I don't want it to die down any. Oh yeah. That's perfect. And it's starting to grow. It's not growing very fast. Ooh. But yeah, I'll cut back to when it is growing. Alright guys, it is almost fully grown, but I'm just gonna pick it. Okay, so it is fully grown. The max number of bullets you can have in this is 6, and it is now wave 12. And this gun, I'm just gonna say it's not the best. It really isn't. Oh wow. Alright, just let me grab these shotgun plants. Let me grab all of this. Oh, I got revived. Alright. Okay, so I think that the next weapon Oh, sorry about that. My retard of a brother walked in. Sounding like a pig. try to revive this guy. Got him. I don't have a gun. I need a gun. The next gun unlocks from around 18. Ooh, shotgun plant. Shotgun plant. Let me get it. Yes, I got it. Screw off, piggies. But what is my man's? He just yeets? He just yeeted me fetus. He just said yeet. He yeeted. He's eating that fetus. That's not a fetus. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Yeah, get into it. Ow! What you gonna do? An apnade. I have another one. Ow. Oh, and of course someone needs to get revived. We have 13 and you're still dying. Come on, man. Oh my god. Stop yeeting him. Yeah, beat this guy. Beat the yeeter. God, I'm gonna have to get revived. This guy's a jerk. Alright, I got the revive. Oh, and now Big B needs to get revived. Alright, yeah, he'll just get revived instantly then. Snipergus rifle. Nice. Wave 14. Alright, I'm gonna get up here and try and snipe. So, I'm also gonna take these panapinades. Oh no. Get back. Hey. Alright, the shotgun plant is full. Okay, P-Volver, I know you're... Okay, good. You are a max plant. Yes. Well, this thing is actually pretty good at take that thing out in 3 shots. Yeah, it takes these little piggies out in almost 1. Four more waves until we get the watermelon G. And I gotta say, it's a pretty good gun. I mean, the ammo, it could hold a little bit more ammo, but it's still a pretty good weapon. And I think this game was all made by, well, he worked on it for about a year, and then I think he got some help. But yeah, all made by one guy. And this is a great game. Nice. Yeah, Shotgun Farmers. You can get it on Steam right now for $10. But they do have sales very often. I got it when it was on sale, and it was about $6, $5. So yeah, it's a very fun game, and he is trying to make it available to console players too. But if you have a PC, you can plug a controller into it and play this, because he did that. So yeah. I'll cut back to you guys when it's wave 18 and we have this new weapon. Okay, it is not quite round 18 yet, but you may notice that this is a new weapon. I completely forgot about it. It's the M6 beam. It is actually pretty good. It's 3-round burst assault rifle. And I think the sign for it is somewhere around here. Somewhere back here, or it may be all the way over there. Yeah, I completely forgot about this. It totally brushed my mind. Let me find the sign for it though. Right here. The M6 beam. It's a very good weapon. So yeah, I'll cut back on round. Actually, it's about to be round 18. I'll cut back when this weapon right here, the watermelon G, is fully grown. Alright, it is now wave 20. And somebody keeps taking this watermelon G, so I'm just gonna take it. And yeah, here's to show you guys. Oh, already out. Wow, but it's pretty good. Pretty good. Oh, here's a failed one, and another failed one. Use it. We're very slow with it, but it does a high amount of damage, so that's good. Alright, I'm not sure when the next gun that we unlock is. Oh, I guess we already did it. It is the chili thrower. This is a very cool gun. Let's see if we can find a zombie. Or there's one, I think they're called. Let's just see if, oh, there's one. So yeah, it lights them on fire, which is cool. So yeah, that is what the chili thrower and the watermelon G do, I guess. Now what is right here? Wave 25, so yeah, I think that is the next one. I'm not sure which gun it is though. I'm not sure, so yeah, I'll skip to them. Alright guys, wave 24 has just been completed, and now it is wave 25. Apparently halfway there. Don't know what that means, but the Gromator launcher. Nice. That is, it's actually a good gun. I've never used it in Horde mode though. Huh. Hey, getting a drink. It's really being nice to me. Jeez, this is already almost out of ammo. Oh, this is not very ammo sufficient. Come on, kill this guy. Kill this guy. I need the thumbnail. I need the screenshot. Come on, piggies, attack me. Attack me, piggies. Attack me. Attack me. Imbecile. Okay. No, that wasn't good. You guys don't know what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to get a thumbnail. Okay. Oh, hey. Don't turn back on me. Yeah, come after me. Let me get this. There we go. Don't know if that worked. I hope it did. I need that screenshot. Ooh, Gromator launcher. Alright, 4 out of 6, so it wasn't full. It almost was. Try and come over here. Oh. Ooh, Mega Piggy. Alright. Oh, okay, good. He's still going. Oh, I lost my fingerings. Oh, you're fast. Oh, there's more of you. Okay. Oh, there's a Mega Piggy. Oh, okay. Okay. Gotta do this fast. And... okay. Not sure if that works, but I hope it did. Okay, that was the grenade launcher. I'm just going till I die. Oh my gosh. I don't have a weapon. No. Aww. Well, anyways, guys, thanks for watching. And yeah, I'll see you next time.